Hey everyone, welcome back to ACT Math Quick Hits, where you can make this one small change and watch these videos. It doesn't cost you any money, only costs you a couple of minutes of your time, and you're going to help prepare yourself for the math section of the ACT. There is the rundown of the math section of the ACT, so let's get back into it for today. All right, so it says Jonathan rode his bike every day for 18 days. The table shows each of the distances he rode. The table also shows the number of days he rode those distances. All right, so what is the median daily distance in miles that Jonathan rode his bike for 18 days? Okay, so a lot of verbiage in this question. I would say the trickiest part right here is this idea of the number of days. So this means that he rode for 1 mile 2 days. Right over here, it says he rode 3 miles for 4 days. So it's not your standard like input output table. It's showing the distance that he rode and then the number of times he rode that distance in terms of days. All right, so once again, it's Desmos to the rescue, right? So we're asked to do the median here. So the median, when we do Desmos, all you do is type it in. Now you can find it in the menu under like the stats option, but that's a little bit tougher to find, right? You just type it right in, type in median, and then now we got to put in all of our data values. So this is like where I said where it gets a little bit tricky with this table, understanding that he rode 1 mile twice, right? So we would have to put 1 and then comma and then another 1. And then he rode 3 miles 4 times. So we would need 3 to be inputted into our data set 4 different times. And then 4 would be inputted 3 times. And we just keep going, right? So 5 gets inputted 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything separated by commas. And then 7, he rode 7 miles 3 times, or 3 of the days. 7, 7, 7. Right? We don't even need to close it. You can see that Desmos has done the calculation for us, right? It's staring us right in the face there, 4.5. So there's our answer, D. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. I understand that this isn't the most fun, exciting stuff that's out there. I know my videos aren't the most polished as well. However, we're just here to do some math, learn a little bit about the ACT, and then get some Desmos hacks to help us power through. So your future self would appreciate it if you like and subscribe. That way you can keep getting this practice and get better on the math section of the ACT. Thanks, everyone.